It's 6:45 a.m. in Glendale, Arizona. Getting ready for my ride. The trike runs on coffee and muscle power, but the lights are USB, so I charge them overnight and then turn them all on in the morning. Actually, the helmet has a little battery in it, so I change that out every once in a while when it starts to get dim. As you can see, the charger lives in the garage. Then the cords for the lights I just sort of tuck up and ride along with. The brakes have locks on them so it won't roll away. I unlock them and then it's time to turn this vehicle around and get ready to ride. Our first stop is in the parking lot of Crossroads Plaza, turning around to see that beautiful sunrise, and I'm ordering some coffee. Well, here we are on the road I'd say about an hour later. Beautiful clear skies, smooth sailing. I grew up in Minneapolis, where at this time of the year it's cold and snowy and icy, and it never appealed to me. So when I turned 18, I bought a car, and when I turned 19, I went west. I just love it here. We had a little bit of rain a few days ago, but it looks like it's wonderfully clear. The skies are not cloudy all day. We're just past the winter solstice, so the sun is pretty low in the south, but it's getting higher every day, and eventually it'll be all the way back up really high, and it'll be 100 and some odd degrees here in Phoenix. And yes, I ride year-round. I deal with the heat by getting out early in the morning. In the summertime, that's about 5 a.m., but now in the wintertime, it's closer to 7. And I never, ever ride at night. This is supposed to be fun, and visibility is bad enough when there's plenty of sunlight, and when it's dark, I don't even want to think about it. I don't need to be out there in the dark. So I really don't follow any type of schedule. I just check to see when there's enough sunlight to ride, and then I ride. And also, in case you're wondering, I eat when I'm hungry, and I drink when I'm dry. We're now traveling due south, and the mountain range that you see up ahead is the Estrellas. But we're not going to go there. We're going to turn and go, let's see what direction. East. Hang on. Looks like there's a pedestrian approaching. These sidewalks don't get a lot of use, but they get some use. So I'm going to kind of pull over to the side and go low and slow. Good morning. And now we're passing Crossroads Plaza on the left and Peoria Station on the right. They get a fair amount of traffic, so they have their own little light. I think that it surprises people that I stop for red lights and follow the rules of the road, because most of the time you'll see people on bicycles going all over the place in every which way. And I really wish that they wouldn't do that. Yeah, I know I worry too much. Okay, I'll calm down. Hey, there's Burger King. Smells good. Well, here comes somebody running, getting a little exercise on this beautiful morning. I'm going to pull over and wave them on through. Come on down. Well, it looks like he's doing some rehab exercise. Remind me not to complain anymore about my sore ankle. Thank you for riding along with me on this beautiful winter's day in suburban Phoenix, and I'll see you next time. You take care now.